Kublai pi baro syakatep Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Kimat bakongsan mentah ke sengi kilong. Khot jingilang ke sorkari ke KSU ha ke art pendai terik Nailar. Bo jingkeli unong elam ke liang persya halor ke Shillong Medical College. Wanra uba arden de ke 0A notice halor ke New Shillong Township Water Supply Scheme. Bat her ki Samla bahunlang nonglang bat haisin Mary Lingkhoy bantrekam Shabari. Bat mentangin pasya ki Khubor bakam benya. Ka office jong menteri rangba ke Jylla, ka lakhot ika KSU banya kendu ke jengelang ka banlong ha ka arpun riu terik Nailar, ha conference hall, main secretariat, ha ka pon riu baje janmet banya tai ki santli ki mat jingdawa ba ka KSU ka labo akmat ka sorkar. Yakani kashithi khot jingelang lesoi de ka kong Didi Singai MCS Joint Secretary Home Political Department jong ka sorkar Meghalaya, bat lapha shu Samla penshai borlang rani Assistant General Secretary Central Executive Council KSU. Nakaliang ka KSU ka lapdyang yakani ka jingkhot jong ka sorkar sya ka jingelang ha ka arpun riu terik Nailar hajar arpun riu. Unong yelam kaliang persya ka ying dorbar thawan ka Jylla Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ulabo jingkeli halor ke jingterekam jong ke Shillong Government Medical College, bat kamtam habayadei bekinong tre. Habajubab halor kini, umenteri keterak ke kot ke kia, ubai wildlife miki Jylla, ulai tu bekidon chispa anyup kendai tli ki kam, ki balamang na kebenta ke Shillong Medical College, bekentup yu director, ki dean, medical superintendent bat kiwe-kiwe. Ulai tu ru bekidon san pongut ki Samla ki belazdang ye kejing puli doktor haus nem terekam beningkong arajar arpesan arajar arpandri.
Reply to star question number 5. 1, sir. The infrastructure required for a medical college is defined under NMC MSR 2023. The details is as per statement placed on the table of the House. 2, sir. There are 179 sanctioned posts for Shillong Medical College as below. Number 1, Director Medical College, number of posts 1. Number 2, Dean of Medical College, number of posts 1. 3, Medical Supers 1. 3, Medical Superintendent, number of posts 1. Number 4, Chief Administrative Officer, number of posts 1. Number 5, Professor, number of posts 17. 6, Associate Professor, number of posts 27. 7, Senior Resident, number of posts 40. Number 8, Junior Resident, number of posts 22. Serial number 9, Tutor Demonstrator, number of posts 25. Serial number 10, Clinical Psychologist, number of posts 1. Serial number 11, Statistician, number of posts 1. Serial number 12, Assistant Professor, number of posts 41. Serial number 13, Chief Account Officer cum Financial Advisor for Medical College, number of posts 1. 3, sir, 50 students were admitted during the first academic year.
UMLA ke VPP na nongkrem ba arden mela basayamot ha ka arpesan terik Nailar ulawan ra de ke 0A notice hayeng dorbar thawan ke Jylla. Habayadei bat ke jing penterekam ye ke New Shillong Township NST Water Supply Scheme. Habawan ra ikani kamat UMLA ulong, kani kam day tang na kabenta ke tender, Henry ke day na kabenta ka mangpisa ka balakenjo asya praspa san phoklor tingka ka pisa pat ba ka jingkit kli jong ka sorkar Jylla ban pentikna ba man ka shitingka la pelut ha ka rukam ka bakhoi bat ka basyai.
Ensure that every rupee is spent transparently, economically, and in the best interest of the people. So I feel that the government cannot simply say that a tender has been floated, therefore everything is in order. The official tender for New Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 2, Part A, valued at about 850.58 crore, was issued on 31st July 2026, with bids scheduled to close on 28 August 2026. Therefore, sir, I feel this is precisely the stage at which this House must demand answers before the contract is awarded and before the state becomes financially committed. So, it has come to my knowledge that the government had assured the Local Contractors Association that tender for Phase 2 would not be invited in one single package, particularly when the nature of works, several components do not involve highly specialized technical work. So if that assurance was indeed given, the government must explain why the project is now being tendered in this manner. So a single massive package can have the effect of excluding otherwise capable local contractors who may not have the financial or technical capacity to compete for the 850 crore contract. The issue, therefore, is not whether local contractors should be given an unfair preference. The issue is whether tender structure itself is unnecessarily restricting competition. So, Madam, therefore, I would like to seek clear answer from the Honorable Minister.
Arngut ki Samla kenthe ka bahon lang nong lang bat ka haisin Mary Linkoy kila yokam hahima Bahrain hadin bigla pendap ka training hinriu banai ha Emporium Skills Training Institute Don Bosco Youth Center Laim Kra Shillong. Kini ki Samla kila her Shahima Bahrain Middle East ha ka khatnriu terik Nailar bans dang tre yiki kam ki jam ha ka kinhon International Hospitality ha kani ka hima. Kisamla kenthe ki bakwa bantre hakikam hospitality kila ban wan shai kai arbanai lani hinriu posngi ha Emporium Skills Training Institute Don Bosco Youth Center Laim Kra Shillong. Kishuki kidangdon ki balat hadu bandakut unailar arjar arpenriu kerta kadai banlong khatpra hadu arpenyo snem ki kerdan pule kilong class 12 shaneng.
Kublai ya pribaro kakateng jonga haisin Mary Linkoy ngasong ngasa hapalui Ribhoy District ngalapenda bikajing pule jonga ha Assam Don Bosco University ngalayo jingtip syapang ka Emporium Training lingba ka social media hadin arpanai jongka training jonga ngalayo ka placement ha kari Kingdom of Bahrain tila dadon na pi kibadon interest balik tre shabar Hila Banwan Mi Hangne Ha Emporium Training Center Kabadon Halai Mukra Don Bosco Youth Center Bleshibon
Kublai Pibaro Kakerteng Jonga Kadai Imba Humlang Nonglang Masong Masa Hapalui Ribhoy District Ngalapendep Ekajing Puli Jonga Naledikin College Shillong Hadin Banga Pendep Ekajing Puli Jonga Ngalayo Ajintip Syapang Ke Emporium Institute Lengba Ki Social Media Te hadin arpanai ka training jonga ngalayo ka placement jonga hakari Kingdom of Bahrain. Te ladadon na preng jong pi mano ki badon ni kata kajing trang banek tre shabar pila banwan ni ha hangne ha Don Bosco Youth Center lai umkra. Kublai shibon.
Kinangelam berim ke Khasi Students Union ha ka jingelam u President berim ba lambok star marngar bat usamla donor thaba kidukot Executive Council berminta hak arpusanterik Nailar arjar arpenriu kila lepen kendo ya laingut kinangelam kibla syakem hak kat kendai terik Nailar arjar arpenriu hadin belami ke kendram na kejingyat rally hakini kesngi yakini ki laingut kinangelam kibakentup yu Samla Raymond Kharjana President Samla Pinkemen Sanmit Vice President baru Samla Ruben Najir General Secretary kibasyaset hapatok Tura bat William Nagar Henry Hakastep jangka arpusanterik Nailar kipulit kilawan yalam no ikni kilaingut Shillong District J. Kino yalam kibala le ikendu yakini kibala syakset kila itu ikilat patai Khubor bakaseng kan sesyong perkat alor kini kikam. Ubak lambok star marngar ulo ongru bakaseng kalayo jingtip menem step balawan yalam yikino yalam kaseng Shillong.
Kila warna sini baru fakir mengalam. Baru kau lawan rak balam ini kiri bahasa kem. Menu ki warna balam.
Dah tu like Shillong dah patnya mereka tu bajin kat yang
Kau black.
UMLA kanong po ba Miril Bonds aim hagas ngi baar ulawan ra da kajing kali hayeng darbar thawan ka Jylla kabede ba kajing slam ban pentre kanong po combine water supply hapo ka GGM scheme haba juba balor kani kajing kali umintri ka tanat PHE Marcus and Marakulet ho kidan bun ki daw ki balawan ra kajing slam ban pentre kani ka project kanong po Hagaju Khubor ula pentepan baga kamenta kalaya syaprang bat kalapoi syakanyo pesan.
So before I ask my supplementary question, allow me to just express my gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister for promoting Rendia. This is very close to my heart, and yesterday I have seen in social media that Honorable Chief Minister has expressed desire that this is one of the attire that we should wear, and Rendia is very close to me personally because I belong from the village Jylla, which has been regarded as an Erisil village. So I want to place on record my sincere thanks on this. So my first supplementary question. The principal question that I have put forward is that in the course of response at A, the two reasons that has been mentioned clearly, now it has been addressed, and I would like to know from the Honorable Minister in charge, I would like to get a clear assurance, the timeline for the completion of Nongpo Combined Water Supply Scheme, as well as the physical progress in percentage, as well as the financial status on this project.
Speaker, sir. First, the physical completion of the project is 75%, sir, and the target for completing the project is December 2026. So I don't have the I don't have the record of financial progress, sir. For that matter, I require notice, sir.
Umintri katanat Community and Rural Development ba Sostenes Sotun Ulay thu ekayeng dorbar bekiladan hadu nyo pawajar tali ke social audit ke bala pelong haus nem balala. Yakini umintri ula jubab alor ke jengkeli bala wanra du MLA ke mauring keneng uba HS Kharparan haki kenta keli jengkeli ke dorbar senrai. Haba benrap lang umintri rang ba ke Jylla konwat ke sangma ula pentip bekiladan saw point kat kendai lak tali ke audit bala dep panle ke perhas nem bala dep kentup yakin rib kendai hajar tali haus nem balala.
MLA who has raised this question is absent, so we'll move on to the next question. Question number 3, raised by Bahevi Stone Karpran, and Honorable Minister to reply, please.
So, the name of schemes, projects of the Community and Rural Development Department, which falls under the purview of social auditing, are as below. The Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission, Grameen, BB Ramji. B. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Grameen, PMAYG. C. National Social Assistance Program, NSAP. And D. Pradhan Mantri Adas Gram Yojana, PMAGY. Sir.
Your supplementary.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge of CID Department. So I would like to ask the Honorable Minister whether social auditing is being conducted regularly in every year in all the CID blocks of the state, as prescribed under the respective schemes.
So, may I request again the Honourable Member to repeat?
Okay. Whether social audit is being conducted regularly every year in all the CID blocks of the state.
Umentri rangba ukonrat ke sangma oleh thu ek ying darbar bikdan riuspan rupun rutli ki Anganwadi Center ki batrekam ne ki ying wailani ki jakat rekam bashipor hakeleng ki district jong ke Jylla. Yakni ula jiba walor ke jingkli balawan radu MLA ke liang persya Dr. Mizanur Kazi hakabawla pentip baka jingtay ki Anganwadi Center lale rakatanat sin adi na kebenta ki ying bathamai. Ulay thu bakajingkantiu kerdan yaki Anganwadi Center lalet lengba ke Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission.
Reply to star question 4. A, sir. So there are 666 number of Anganwadi centers operated from rented or temporary buildings. B, sir, construction of Anganwadi centers is being taken up in convergence with CNRD for construction of new buildings. Upgradation of Anganwadi centers is being taken up under Meghalaya Early Childhood Development Mission. C, sir, under the Anganwadi Services Supplementary Nutrition Mission program, is being provided for 25 days in a month. It consists of two main components. Number one, hot cooked meal. It is prepared and served at the Anganwadi center by the Anganwadi workers for children under the age group of 3 and 6. 2, take-home ration. It is provided once a week for children from 6 months to 3 years, pregnant nursing mothers and adolescents. And the state government has also recently taken initiative to expand and enhance the provisions of the hot cooked meal twice a week, and eggs will soon be provided.
Your supplementary, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister, sir, for his reply. And through you, I would like to know from the Honorable Chief Minister that how many Anganwadi centers operate from rented or temporary buildings under Samla CDPO, and how many of them have proper kitchen and toilet facilities?
Sir, this breakup I don't have. It's a very, very specific detail he's asking. So I won't have that reply with me under the Samla CDPO, how many are there. But as I mentioned, sir, there are 666 total. We have total number of 6,188.
Ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM, ringkat bakari Boy College Nongpo. Kinpenlong ya ke Khelo India Samvad, lani ke Yuva Connect, haka arpunyaw trik mentau benai, kum shibenta ke jingrakhi ya ke National Sports Day arajar arpun riu. Kini ke program kalong shibenta, na ke program ke bakerpang balapelong hakiling ki benta jengkari, haga bagi Samla kinyo kalat banyakren baru Menteri Rang Batu kari Narendra Modi. Halor ki mat ki bede baka kamyele kai. Ya ka National Sports Day le juraki ka arp kendai terik Nailar man lau snem kum kadak ban kan mau buram ya ka sngi kha jong nong ile kai hockey ba pau nam jong kari u Major Dhyan Chand Henry Mintau snem ban pen klan ya ka jeng shimenta jong ki samla gi kam ile kai en pen long ya gini ka program kerpang ha ka arp nyau terik Nailar arjar arpun riu ha ka ba ki samla kin yolat ban ya shimenta ka jeng kren bar menteri rang ba do bat ban ai jing mut halor ki lat ban kentiu shishu ya ka kam ile kai ha kari ha kani ka sngi ki samla ki no ile kai bat ki wei ki riu pau khmat ha ka kam ile kai kin ya kendu lang lingba kini ka program Legit ru ya artli ki college na Manlaka district ban penlong ya ka Khelo India Samvat bat na Ribhoi district legit ya ka Ribhoi college bat ka USTM ban penlong ya ka ni ka program Kawai ni kijing temu bokong san jong kini ka program kalong ban pen I kijing kala ba kijing kiu shaprang jong ka mile kai he India ha kini ki khat ar snem bala letno hapo kijing lam jong menteri rang bado Narendra Modi ha kaju kapor Hakani ka program in yo ban ngap ya kijing ai jing mun bat kijing ang not jong ki samla ban kinti ya ki kam yele kai haki por bandang wan hakeleng kari India.
The Office of Mera Yuva Bharat Riboi and NSS units of Riboi College and NSS units of USTM will be organizing Khelo India Samvat come National Sports Day on the 27th of August 2026. On 29 August, we celebrate National Sports Day dedicated to the birth anniversary of the legendary hockey player and national icon Major Dhyan Chand ji. However, this year we are organizing a special program on 27 August, Khelo India Samvat, Dialogue with the Honorable Prime Minister Interaction Program with the Youths. This year, National Sports Day will be celebrated across the country on a grand scale with a focus on youth participation, sports development and nation building. With this spirit, the Khelo India Samvat programs are being organized all across the country. The core idea is to bring together the country's youth, sports persons and the future of India on one common platform. Under this program, Yuva Connect will be organized in 2 colleges in every district across the country. In Riboi district, USTM will host a Type A event where the participants will be visible on the Prime Minister podcast, and Riboi College will host a Type B event whereby we will be viewing the Prime Minister's speech. Through these programs, young leader will get an opportunity to interact with sports persons, local representatives like MPs, MLAs, ministers and local leaders. One of the key objectives of the program is to highlight the transformation in Indian sports ecosystem over the last 12 years under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and at the same time listen to the ideas and aspirations of our youths. The most special aspect of this program is that on 27 August, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will virtually address more than 8 lakh young participants across 1,600 different locations in the country. The program will connect young people from different parts of the country through a common national platform. All the guests and youth participants will be present at the respective venues by 10 a.m. Following the Honorable Prime Minister's address, the program will focus on local youth interaction and engagement. A dedicated youth interaction session will be organized between the volunteers, the youths and the local sports persons. The discussion will focus on the transformation of India's
Kakasi Students Union ha ka arpa South Trip Nailar, sa shisien kalapulong ya kajingalang ngiu jong kaseng, ha office terekam ha jayaw, hadin bakani ka office kalasya kandra ha Khubor pulit por shiteng miet ha ka khat kandai terik Nailar arjar arpun riu, baladonru kibenta balajulor. Kumta kum kajing pen ngiu kaseng kalapen her biang ya kalama nadu surok hadu kajaka terekam. Kibalawan ban shiminta lang, kilong kinongilam berim hagi samoy terekam bapher, kiba kentup hadu uba Dani Krim, uba Samuel Jirwa, ba Lambok Star Marngat, ba Donald Thaba, lemba kidukot ke CEC beminta ba kiwi-kiwi kidukot. Habakren hagani gajingalang pen ngiu, usamla pensyai rani Assistant General Secretary Ulong, kaseng sashi sin, kalapen yang dawi kalama jong kaseng, bat kani kalama kandang yai kawe.
Dia.
Te ka jingi kundu lang jungi mana apa ni gini ka body ka jungi ka si ka jungi baki nongilam barem kata ginongilam nadu lagi jong ka ba skidan barokhai kajing do lang jingi kalong ban pener ngio ban pener daw ya ka silam trikam jong seng hadian ba ngila ngila sakhi ya ka ka balaja hakamir khaknai terik te kajing kudu mene kalong ba in pener ngio bakani ka silam sendur jongi bat kalama jong kaseng kendangi kawe kumba pilai ba ngila pening ngi kalama nadu na bar na surat nang tahang di ba apa office
Bat da ki tu ki Khubor ngila poi shika bakut tat hadu pengde syam yang khuble shipon.